Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent! Today we are going to continue learning grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 78, language. Okay, we are going to continue practicing capital letters. Okay, remember all sentences, proper nouns, days of the week, months of the year, and holidays begin with a capital letter. Okay, circle the first letters of the word that should begin with a capital letter. Write the capital letter below it. Okay? You have to circle. Circle the first letters, okay, of the word that should begin with a capital letter. I know that you are going to do a great job. But if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Excellent. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.